Dear student, good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss about measurement. Measurement is the important branch of physics. What is measurement? The comparison of unknown quantities with some known quantities is called measurement. So what is measurement? The comparison of unknown quantities with some known quantities is called a measurement. Unknown quantities example say textbook, pencil, pen, etc. for unknown quantities. Known quantities example ruler, meter scale, tape, etc. for known quantities. This comparison is called a measurement. Measurement of a quantity has two parts. One is a number and another one is a unit. Example 50 meters. 50 means a number, m means unit. So measurement of a quantity has two parts. A number examples for 50 is a number, and a unit. Unit means a meter. What is a unit? Standard measurement is called yearly measurement. What is a yearly measurement? The earliest unit used to measuring length were parts of the human body. So example, hand span, foot span, cubit, stride, etc. So what is the hand span? Hand span, the distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger when the hand is fully stretched out. Hand span means the distance between the thumb finger, this is a thumb finger, little finger fully stretched out. This distance for hand span. Next, what is a foot span? Foot span. What is a foot span? Foot span, the length of the foot. The length of the foot. Next, cubit. What is a cubit? The length of the arm from the elbow to tip of the middle finger with the hand fully stretched out. Cubit means the distance between the arms of the hand from the elbow to middle finger. The distance is called cubit. So next, what is a stride? Stride means the distance between the front foot heel and back foot heel. Take one step is called a stride. What is a stride? Distance from the heel of the front foot to the heel of the back foot, and takes for single step. Front foot and back foot heel distance is called a stride. This unit for yearly measurement. So it's approximately measurement. It's not for accurate measurement. So the person to person, this measurement for varied. So used for modern measurement. Modern measurement is accurate measurement of the physical quantities. So what is the physical quantities? Physical quantities. Physical quantities means all quantities that can be measured directly or indirectly is called physical quantities. All quantities that can be measured directly or indirectly are called physical quantities. Physical quantities example, so length, mass, time, speed, area, etc. for physical quantities example. Length, mass, time, speed, area, volume, so etc. for examples of physical quantities. Physical quantities are for two types. One is a fundamental quantities, another one is a derived quantities. Fundamental quantities. Another one for derived quantities. What is the fundamental quantities? Fundamental quantities, those quantities do not depend the terms of other quantity is called fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities mean those quantity do not depend the terms of other quantity is called fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities are for 7 fundamental quantities. What is the derived quantities? Derived quantities, those quantities depend for a fundamental quantity is called derived quantities. Derived quantities examples say area, volume, speed, etc. for derived quantities. All of you understand what is the fundamental quantities? Fundamental quantities, those quantities do not define the terms of other quantities is called fundamental quantities. What is the derived quantities? Those quantities depend other fundamental quantities is called derived quantities. Derived quantities example area, volume, speed, etc. for derived quantities. How many derived quantities? Have for 22 derived quantities. How many fundamental quantities? 7 fundamental quantities. 3 important fundamental quantities. One is length, mass and time. Fundamental quantities. SI unit, symbols. First one, length. Length, mass, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. Luminous intensity. So, how many fundamental quantity? Therefore, 7 fundamental quantities: length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. First one, length. SI unit of length. What is the SI means? International System of Unit. SI means International System of Unit. So units already told you. So standard measurement is called units. Next is symbols. So length SI unit meter. Symbol small m. Mass SI unit of mass kilogram. Kilogram. Symbol kg. Time SI unit of time second. Symbol S. Temperature SI unit of temperature Kelvin. Kelvin. Symbol K. Electric current. Electric current unit ampere. Symbol capital A. Amount of substance mole. Mole. Symbol MOL. Luminous intensity candela. Candela. Symbol CD. So, what are the fundamental quantities? Those quantities do not depend the terms of other quantities is called fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities are for 7 fundamental quantities. Examples of fundamental quantities: length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. So SI unit of length, symbols length, SI unit meter, symbols small m, mass SI unit kilogram, kg, time second, SI unit is second, symbols s, temperature SI unit Kelvin, symbol K, electric current ampere, capital A, amount of substance mole, MOL symbol, luminous intensity candela, CD. Next, fundamental quantities. The first one, length. So what is the length? Length is the distance between 2 points is called a length. So example, A and B. A one point, another one point B. The distance between A to B, the distance is called a length. Distance between our classroom, one end to another end. So examples of length. So distance between textbook, so one end to another end, the distance for length. So what is the length? The distance between 2 points is called a length. Next, what is the SI unit of length? Meter. What is the SI unit of length? SI means International System of Units. What is the units? Standard measurement is called a unit. SI unit of length for meter. What is the symbol of meter? Small m. Next, submultiple units. Submultiple units example, so millimeter and centimeter. Millimeter symbol m, small m, millimeter. Next, centimeter, cm, centimeter. The small length of wire or thickness, measuring the special unit for millimeter and centimeter. Next, multiple units. Kilometer, light year. Kilometer symbol AM. There is a kilometer. Kilometer measured for longer distance. City to city, area to area. The measured in unit for is kilometer. What is a light year? Light year means the light traveled distance in vacuum 1 year is called a light year. The light year measuring for star to star, long distance, larger distance, measuring unit for light year. 1 year equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter, or 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 power 12 kilometer. So what is the light year? Larger distance measuring unit for light year. So light year means the light traveled vacuum in 1 year is called light year. What is the value of light year? 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. 1 light year is 9.46 into 10 power 12 kilometer unit for light year. So light year means the light traveled vacuum in 1 year is called light year. What is the value of light year? 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. 1 light year is 9.46 into 10 power 12 kilometers. So next, SI unit of length, meter m, submultiple units. So millimeter, symbols for mm, centimeter, symbol cm. Multiple units, kilometer, light year, symbols km. So 1 light year values, 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Okay, next, measuring instrument. measuring instrument. The first one, a measuring tape. Second one, a meter scale. Next, a ruler, screw gauge, and vernier calipers. Next topic, converting metric units and multiple unit to submultiple units and submultiple units to multiple units. So, first one, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeters. Kilometer symbols, hectometer symbol, decameter symbol, meter symbol, decimeter symbol, centimeter symbol, millimeter symbols. So, kilometer to hectometer, multiple 10. Again, hectometer to decameter, multiple 10. Decameter to meter, multiple 10. So, meter to decimeter, multiple 10. Decimeter to centimeter, multiple 10. Centimeter to millimeter, multiple 10. So, towards for right hand side, multiple for 10. Suppose smallest, biggest to smallest, every unit multiple for 10. Again, reverse direction, millimeter to centimeter, divide 10. So, smallest to biggest or towards for left hand direction is divide 10. For example, 1 kilometer equal to 1 kilometer equal to dash meters. 1 kilometer equal to dash meters. Kilometer to hectometer, multiple 10. Decameter, 10 into 10, 100. 10 into 10, 100. Again 100 into 10, 1000. So 1 kilometer equal to dash meter, 1000 meter. 1000 meter. These are multiple values. Next, 1 hectometer equal to dash meter. 10 into 10, 100 meters. 1 hectometer. 1 hectometer equal to dash meters, 100 meters. Suppose, what is that? 1 decameter equal to dash meter, 10 meters. 1 decameter equal to dash meter, 10 meters. These are multiple values. So, 1 meter equal to dash millimeter. This is biggest to smallest. Then also for multiple 10. So, 1 meter equal to dash millimeter, 1000 millimeters. So, 1 centimeter equal to dash millimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. Next, submultiple values, smallest to biggest. So, divide 10. For example, 1 millimeter equal to dash centimeter, 1 divided by 10 centimeter, or 0.1 centimeter. Next, 1 centimeter equal to 1 divided by 100 meter, or 0.01 meter. Next, 1 meter equal to dash kilometer, 1 meter equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilometer, or 0.001 kilometer. Next, prefix. Prefix means multiples and the submultiples of SI units are given as prefix. Power of 10. Power of 10, prefix symbol. 10 power 9 is multiple values, is prefix ziga. Symbols capital G. 10 power 6 mega, capital M symbol. 10 power 3 kilo, K. 10 power 2 hecto, H. 10 power 1 deca, D. Submultiples prefix value 10 power minus 1 deci, Da. 10 power minus 2 centi, C. 10 power minus 3 milli, M. 10 power minus 6 micro, mu. 10 power minus 9 nano n. Okay, next solved problems. First one, change 150 centimeter to meter. 150 centimeter equal to centimeter to meter, divide 100. 150 centimeter equal to 150 divided by 100. So 0 0 cancel. So 15 into 10. 1 times 10, remaining 5.0. 5 times, so 50 equal to 0. So 1.5 meter. So 150 centimeter equal to dash meter. 150 divided by 100. So 0 0 cancel. 15 by 10. So 15 by 10 divided equal to 1.5 meter. Okay, next one, change 2000 millimeter to meter. So millimeter to meter divided by 1000. 2000 millimeter equal to 2000 divided by 1000. 0 0 cancel, equal to 2 meter. Okay, the solved problem, change 150 centimeter to meter, submultiple unit convert to meter. So 150 centimeter equal to 150 by divide 100, 0 0 cancel, 15 by 10, so divide 1.5 meter. Next another one example problem, change millimeter 2000 millimeter to meter. 2000 millimeter equal to 2000 divided by 1000 equal to 2 meters. So remaining topic discuss next class. Thank you.